Alright, let's talk about the biggest killers in America. And no, it's not what you think. I'm counting down the deadliest animals in the United States. And some of these are going to surprise you. Kicking off at number 7, sharks. Hollywood has done a great job making us fear them, but in reality, shark attacks are super rare. About 16 a year, with maybe 1 death every 2 years. Honestly, you're more likely to get struck by lightning than bitten by a shark. Number 6, bears. Black bears, grizzly bears, polar bears. Black bears are usually chill, but the others? Not so much. If you run into a grizzly, playing dead might save you. If it's a polar bear, well, let's just say you better have bear spray and a good story for your survival. Next, number 5, mountain lions or cougars. Attacks are rare, but if one mistakes you for a deer, it's go time. Fight back. Eyes and nose are your best bets. At number 4, venomous snakes. There are about 20 species in the US. Their bites can be fatal if left untreated. If you're hiking, keep an eye on the trail, wear boots, and don't mess with anything that rattles. Number 3, spiders. Black widow, brown recluse. Their bites are painful and can be serious, but fatalities are super rare. Still, check your shoes before you slip them on. Now, number 2, and this one shocks people, deer. Deer cause over 1 million car accidents a year, leading to hundreds of deaths and billions in damages. If you're driving in deer country, slow down and stay alert, especially at dusk. But the biggest animal killers by far, insects. Bees, wasps, hornets. They are responsible for the most animal-related deaths in the US, mostly because of allergic reactions. Most victims didn't even know they were allergic. If you ever get stung, watch for signs like hives, trouble breathing, or dizziness, and get help fast. Oh, and domestic dogs? They're responsible for dozens of fatalities every year, mostly from bites. Man's best friend, but sometimes not so friendly. And here's the plot twist. The deadliest animal in America is humans. More people are hurt or killed by other people than by all these animals combined. Stay safe out there, keep your eyes open, and remember, not everything dangerous has fangs or claws. Sometimes it just has antlers, wings, or even a leash.